all this dirt from the racetrack filled in the driveway. Thank you, I-55. We'll take that. Alright guys, it's Monday morning. Just got off work, came out here, clean out the Civic. Which is all nice and clean and all the dirt's out. Picked up a lot of dirt. I got a little spot I'm gonna put that dirt, and it gets caked down in here. But just kind of looking over the car, trying to figure out why the car shut off Saturday night. The only thing I could think of, possibly something with the computer, but we never did top it off with fuel before the feature. We ran Brownstown, but I don't think I ran completely out of fuel, but maybe it was sloshing around and ran it out of fuel. It could be my bad, but either that or something like went into limp mode or something. We may never know. But got a special gift from Chuck Johnson. He's gonna be riding with us the rest of the year. Here you go, Austin. I'm wearing my hat. He said it looked good, so I'll just continue to wear it. But we're just gonna keep going over the car. We're gonna wash it and hopefully this week get it painted and put the decals on. All right, guys, another day here working on the 111. It's gonna look a little different. I did indeed paint the car. Got a couple decals on it. I like it. I am horrible at putting decals on. I found that out. The hood turned out good because it's more flat, but besides, we'll stand back about 20 feet and it looks good. But no, it came out good. So, blocking the camera. It's good. I gotta finish touching up on this side. I don't want to overspray too much. Those turbo spray cans, they're pretty good. 2 of them almost finished the car, but I got a little bit up in the front right here that I got to touch up, but this side's all painted. So it's all painted gloss black and got decals on it. So probably be running this thing at Doe Run, which is a 5th mile. We'll see how it does. Probably just shake it down, try to see if anything goes wrong like it did Saturday. And then we'll be back at Beaverly. So I'll see you guys then. Here we are, boys. We're at Doe Run Raceway, 6 mile. Are you my pit crew tonight?
Yes, but I'm going to race your car.
All right, what are you gonna work on? You got all that cookie on your face, a cupcake on your face.
Yeah.
You gonna work on, whose car are you gonna work on?
Yours.
Mine?
Yes.
What about your dad's?
Yes, I am. I'm going to work on Frankie's first.
Frankie's first?
Yes.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm racing Dad's car.
Oh, you're racing Dad's car?
Yeah, I already fixed yours. I already fixed another.
What position are you in?
I don't know. Friday, Monday, or
No, we're going to draw them back. We're going to draw them back. out of Hillsboro. Second row should be Bill Spandell in the 111. Paul Johnson, that's zero. Car still down to St. Louis. And Tyler Jarrett and Promise. The last row, the 99 from Cricketown, Missouri, Anthony Nosley, and the 244, Brian Haslett. So we'll go green here. Start.
Well guys, heat race is done. We're supposed to start second row inside, but they ended up pushing me up to the front because the guy was new up front, so they put him in the back. So I started on the pole and just held every lap there and won the heat race. So good job. We actually start second, front row outside in the feature, I believe, because of passing points. Unless they gave me my spot, then I get it. But let me ask Clayton how I did. My pick guy. Clayton, how we do?
Good.
How good?
We won number one.
You won. Are you number one?
Yeah.
Why?
Why am I number one?
Yeah. Why? You
Because we won.
Cause you should have got 24.
Who's 24?
You.
I'm not 24.
What?
All right, my pit Goose kind of, he doesn't know what he's talking about. He's having fun out here. He's gonna be the next little racer. Say, Paul, you gotta give him a cart.
2.
Dad, give me a cart.
Dad, give me a card.
All right, and thank you for Katie here. Katie for filming it. It's my girlfriend Katie. So she's filming for me tonight, so that's good. But what?
Stop.
Stop what?
Stop. Like fixing the car, cause I can fix it.
Oh, you're gonna fix it? All right, thank you, buddy. All right, I was talking to Katie, and my mom was mad. She's not in the videos. This is my mom.
Hi.
You guys met my dad, but never met my mom. There's my sister. There's Frankie. This is Paul's wife, Kendra. Where's Paul at?
He's over there with Tommy.
Oh, Paul. Oh, they're talking about his car. Let's go talk with Paul.
Paul, we need a video of you.
All right, Paul. How'd your heat race go?
Could have been better. I was pushing a little bit. Car wouldn't turn. Let Kyle get around me there at the end.
Yeah.
Which hurt me because now I start third row inside instead of at least front 2 rows.
So we're gonna do some interviews and we're gonna shout out some sponsors for Paul. Got Domino's on his car.
O'Reilly's for all of them.
O'Reilly's for everything. Hey, Jay at O'Reilly's helps out a ton with Paul, like makes this car stay on the track. So who else you got on here? Well, he walked away from me, but it's all right. All right, we'll see you guys for the future.
Phillip Sandell on the 111, Kyle Jarrett in the 10, Joey Laws in 74, Brian Hazlitt in 44, Paul Johnson in 00, Frank Zang in the 14, Andrew Nosley in the Bruce Crew 99, and Jesse Briley in 27. All right, they tied him up.
right, I gotta get this guy in the video again. He keeps beating us. Beat us at Peebly. You can't see him.
Oh,
The light's horrible.
no.
Kind of see him.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. How was that ride?
That was a wild ride. That was crazy. I've never been up that high on two wheels before. That was the first and last time I ever want to be like that.
Yeah, it was pretty scary following him behind, but Joey finished first tonight. I finished pretty close in second. I was knocking at his door. I was trying to give it all I had, but he just outdid me there. But that was pretty scary. Yeah, I was still shaking, but congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
That was a fun race. So.
Good run by you. I mean, it was a fun run.
Yeah. So in-car footage is going to show Joey bicycling it for half the turn. So, but yeah, like I said, I finished second. He finished first. It was a good night. Car's in one piece. Yours is in one piece.
Yep.
We'll go to Peebly tomorrow and
Ready
have some
for another
fun.
battle.
Yeah. So hopefully Travis comes up there with us. I'm pretty sure he's going to be there though.
He said he wasn't.
Oh, he's not. Oh,
No.
Maybe he's not going to be there. But...
Well, maybe he will show up.
All right. Well, we're going to
find out
we're going to
tomorrow.
continue this Honda streak.
Yes,
So,
let's hopefully
so
do it
all right.
again.
Yep. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'll see you guys at Peebly next.